In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline in Google Docs. Starting nice and easy, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, ensure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to log in now. To do that, enter your email address and hit the next button. Follow this up by entering your password, then click sign in, and you'll be ready to go. Now that you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of the screen for a small grid of 9 dots. This is your Google Apps menu. Click on it and a menu will drop down. From there, navigate to Google Docs and give it a click. You'll see your recent documents. Choose an existing Google Doc, or if you prefer to start fresh, click the plus sign labeled blank to create a new document. With your document open, it's time to start setting up the outline. The key here is using headings, which will form the backbone of your document structure. Select the text that you'd like to appear in the outline, often your section titles. Head up to the toolbar at the top of the screen and you'll see a drop-down menu that usually says Normal Text. Click on it to reveal the styles list. You will want to choose one of the heading styles. Heading 1 is suitable for main sections, while heading 2 or heading 3 can be used for subsections depending on the level of detail your document requires. The great thing about headings in Google Docs is that your document outline will be automatically generated from them, saving you a lot of hassle in the process. Next, let's get that outline visible. Look up at the top menu of your Google Doc and click on View. From there, select Show Outline, and voila! A new panel will appear on the left-hand side of your screen, which contains your newly created outline. This panel is more than just a static list, it's an interactive tool. You can click on any heading within this panel to jump directly to that section in your document, making it a breeze to navigate through even the lengthiest of documents. One of the most convenient features of this outline is that it's dynamic. Anytime you add or edit headings in your document, the outline updates automatically. This means you can refine and reorganize your document comfortably without having to manually adjust the outline. Congratulations! You now have an interactive and fully functional outline in your Google Doc. This feature will not only make your document more organized, but also significantly enhance your ability to navigate and edit your content efficiently. Enjoy your newfound efficiency in Google Docs.